So this is our first stop, and we are riding Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 today. Hey guys, welcome to Bangkok Travelers. So this vlog is too much exciting because we are going to Khao Yai with Thailand International Bikers for Royal Enfield event. So let's go.
So you got 1, 2, 3.
And we believe in the thing called pure motorcycle. Now, people ask me, what the hell is pure motorcycle, right? So basically, it's nothing else but we make a simple bike and we want human being to control the bike, not the bike control you. Because you will have this, the biggest bike like cruise control, traction control, and God knows what control we have, all technology in them. We are the most basic bike that we have.
I think yes.
You guys will control the bike.
Yes, yes.
You guys will enjoy the ride. We want you to enjoy the ride with the bike.
Hey.
I'm getting ready.
Yeah, so
Oh shit! Oh shit!
we have started our journey, and here is rain, and our all rain gears in the pickup truck. So hope it will not bother us much. So this is actually a friendship event with Thailand International Bikers and Royal Enfield Thailand. So we were super excited because this event is one of the first event is happening actually targeting to expat groups of Thailand. So yeah, that's why we are super excited. We are the first, and I am super excited basically because I never tried Royal Enfield in my life, and I just love the initial response of Interceptor 650 and Continental GT. Is amazing.
Well, right? I think you look very good in this bike. Yeah. You should get this one. Yeah, I'll get this one. I'll directly take this one at home. I'll directly take this one at home. Take the gas. Okay. The engine is very refined, man. That's so nice. Super refined.
Initially, I thought that I am the only one is super excited about this bike after riding 15 minutes on highway. But after a lot of feedback, people are so happy about this bike. It is not the fastest bike on the road, but it is delivering what it is meant for. This is actually Royal Enfield event with our TIB, like Thailand International Biker Group. So see, this is the TIB. Yeah. So this bike is really smooth, man. And after first time I'm riding Royal Enfield actually, and after riding this bike, I'm feeling so much confidence in corners, and it is so easy going bike. Like if you are in 6th gear, you can go to 140 and you can immediately go to 40 kmph and no like bumping or anything, and that throttle sound is really good, smooth. Yeah, let's go for some coffee, bro. So so how's the ride, man?
Awesome. It was the best ride ever, and this fucking bike was awesome.
Amazing bike, bro. No, seriously amazing bike.
You see that when I had the top speed, it was like 140, 150. But it is so responsive.
Yeah.
Fuck, it was
And
like
smooth, right?
boom, man. Awesome.
So as you see, people are so happy. guys, now we had amazing lunch here. I don't know what is the place name, it is in Thai, but this place is really beautiful. See?
Ew, it's slimy. Ew.
Oh, what the fuck? What was that? So now we are heading to the resort in Khao Yai, and now it will be like road will be twisty road. So let's see.
Yay! Hey!
Now we are crossing a beautiful tunnel in Highway 304 in Nadi district of Prachin Buri province. This tunnel was heavily affected by heavy rain on the same day we are doing the trip, and we got really lucky.
I like it more. Definitely, I'm liking riding the GT more.
So tired?
Yeah,
You are tired? But I'm not.
I'm tired. I didn't have sleep like last night.
Yeah. Let's check into room. Then after that, at 7 p.m. we'll come here
For fun.
for party.
Halloween.
Because there are leaders in the room who actually allowed this to happen that I personally want to thank. So Tim and Prane, you've allowed me to bring two of my families together.
You bring this together with Royal Enfield is just amazing, and I'm really looking forward to like a long-term commitment, affiliation, like work together, ride together, party together. You know, that's what I do best, you know. Love together.
My bike sold.
I'm really happy today. Was amazing, and you guys put together an amazing event, and I enjoyed every single bit of it, and I hope everybody did. Yeah, it was amazing. So thanks so much.
Good morning from Khao Yai. So today we are going back to Bangkok. So let's get ready. hope you like this Royal Enfield journey with TIB. Please share your thoughts regarding Interceptor 650 and Continental GT. And please let me know which bike should I pick. We are planning to do lot of Thailand moto vlogs for you guys. So please do like, share and subscribe.
Bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye.
Let's see the videos.
See you, yeah. Bye bye. See you, see you,
Next time.
see you. Bro, okay, go ahead, chalo. See you. Bye bye, bye bye. See you, see you, see you. Bye bye, bye bye. Maybe next time you guys will be joining with us.
I just need a chopper driven car and I'm moving there.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you.